So welcome to Jouer en Jus. Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a little bit of an experiment. So as y'all know, this is my mini-me. He is the Buffkin, and I did customize him. But the one thing I don't like about the Buffkin body is these grip hands, because they don't really look natural in a lot of poses. Now, this is also Buffkin. This is my alternate version of my mini-me that has hair and shave. And he also has this same hand, of course. So this is the Barbie Looks John. I restyled his hair, original body and hands. This is also the John body, but with the 2021 Power Pair Kid who used to be my mini-me. So I think this is what I want to do. With this combination of 4 dolls, I think I want my main mini-me to have the original John hands, and then on the alternative one, or the alternate one, I should say, I'm gonna do a mix of one hand gripped, one hand flat on these other ones, and then probably one of them is gonna both have grips. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So I got my hot water boiling, waiting for that to come up to temperature. You should be able to just pull them out once it's warmed up. So we're gonna see if this experiment works. Thankfully, I do have some extra bodies just in case this doesn't work. So let's hope for the best. Okay, y'all, so we're about to do the test. So I have my microfiber towel by the side to catch some water. We are gonna first start with the John doll. So I'm gonna put his forearms in this boiling water. And move my paper rack. You can maybe be able to see. Move this back. This is my stove. And I have my little pot that I use for all of my water projects for dogs. So been here for about 30 seconds. And I should be able to tug on him. Oh! And it came right on out. It has a little pop. So that worked. So now the test is, will it be that easy on the buff body? So, let's see. So I'm gonna do about 30 seconds with him as well. Just getting that forearm in past the wrist. And it's about 30 seconds now. So hopefully this works as easy. And it did. And I'm very happy about that. Okay. So I popped them out. I'm gonna try and go ahead and put these in. And yes, they went in very easily. Still warm enough. So the project is working, y'all. So I'm going to finish these up while I can. Looks like I'm going to have to heat you back up because you warm back up. And then I will show you the results. Okay, y'all, so I did it. So on my mini-me, who is on the buff body, he has the John hands. And now John has the buff hands. And then on my alternate mini-me, he has a combo. So he has one original buff hand and then one John hand. And then on my other doll that has the John body, he took the other buff hand and has the original hand that came on his John body. So now we have some great variants for the dollhouse. And what I love about my two mini-me's, so often what I do is I just swap the head if I don't want to if I want to do an extra outfit. So if I do need him to grip something, I can always just swap him on this body. And there we go.